In 2023, Canada faced its worst fire season ever. More than 19 million hectares of land went up in flames. That's larger than England, or 1,700 times the size of Vancouver, forcing nearly 200,000 Canadians to flee their home. SenseNet has used science as an ally of nature to prevent these events when the fire is in the smoldering phase and is controllable. We protect communities with the most comprehensive wildfire detection solution in the world. As you can see in the picture, a simulated fire starts at 2135, and the highly sensitive sensors of SenseNet detect invisible gases in less than a minute. An AI algorithm finds the precise location of the fire. The camera detects the fire when the smoke is visible, but it is late. The satellite detects the fire when smoke covers the whole area, but it's too late to notify firefighters. SenseNet is the only technology in the world that can detect wildfires in less than 1 minute, even across distances greater than a kilometer. Verified by the Government of Canada, SenseNet sets a new worldwide benchmark for wildfire detection. Built with pride in Canada, for Canada and the whole world.